What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are in the garage with the door closed because it is pouring outside. I know you guys have been waiting for Friday for this video to drop. Yes, this is the giveaway video, and a fine detail on everything we're going to be giving away, as well as how you guys can participate in this giveaway. So this giveaway has been long overdue, and I've spoken a couple of videos about some of the items that has been stashed away for a very long time. And now that I have cleaned the garage, I think it's a great time to finally, put this giveaway together and provide back to one lucky winner. It's also very fitting because, I wanted to do this giveaway also in part of, coming in 2020, right, with the new toolbox reveal tour video, as well as coming into the year with 80,000 subscribers. And I want to thank you guys so much to all the new and the OG subscribers that have been rocking with the channel for many years, if not from the very beginning. The more and more you guys come on the channel, the more it motivates me to continue doing what I love to do and sharing my passion with you guys. And I wish I can accommodate everybody who has been supporting the channel, but I can only do so much. So in this giveaway, we're only going to pick one lucky winner to win all of the stuff right here on the table. So before I get into the stuff that we're going to be giving away, I kind of want to talk about how this is going to happen. If you guys follow me on Instagram at @FNStatic, you guys know that I have not posted on there for about 2 years, and I really don't know what happened. I just stopped and kind of stopped posting just out of the random. But that's all going to change, and I'm going to be more active on there, which the first post I'm going to do is going to be the giveaway, and the details will be there. It's going to be something like, it's going to be an image of the giveaway stuff, as well as the hashtag of maybe something along the line of Static 2020 giveaway or something like that. And it's pretty simple. You guys probably seen it on Instagram. Basic rules, be sure to follow a certain page and be sure to repost this with the hashtag. And what I'm going to ask for you guys to do when you guys repost this, be sure to stay posted on the Instagram and get all the details on it. What I'm going to have you guys do is, I want you guys to type me out a brief description of why you guys should win this giveaway and how winning this giveaway is going to help you with you and your life. But there is a catch. This giveaway is only mainly targeted to the people who don't have tools or cannot afford tools as of now, and or if you got your tools stolen, or your tools is not a big bundle of tools like to get a certain job done, you know what I mean? I've seen people where they only have screwdrivers, in their car with ratchet and a few sockets. They got tools, but it ain't like a full toolbox with snap-ons or a full toolbox of Harbor Freight stuff. I'm only targeting somebody who could really make use of all the stuff in this giveaway. So I apologize to the people who has a lot of tools already. I'm really hoping that you guys can be honest with me when you guys repost the post and give me your story. You know what I mean? Because we are going to be picking a handful of people that fits what I'm looking for as far as this giveaway goes, and then I'm going to throw you guys all either in a group with numbers, and then we can go random.org, pick a number out, that'll be the winner, or I can go to the hashtag Static 2020 giveaway, scroll up and down, and pick one lucky person to win all of the stuff right here on the table. The finer details will be on the Instagram post, which I'll probably make today or later tonight, guys. So again, be sure to go to FNStatic on Instagram and give me a follow. So let's take a look at all the stuff on the table here, guys, that we are going to be doing the giveaway with, and I hope you guys are stoked for it. So you guys have seen in the other videos when I talked about this box and all of this stuff that was in the brown box down here that I had saved and put away for a very long time. So if you guys look at the date right here, October 2nd, 2012, this kit was released, and I've had it for that long. Now, I acquired 2 of this right here, and I have one myself, which is, you can randomly see they're all over the place, all the big sockets right here, impact sockets, as well as all of them kind of stacked up inside of here. But that is mine. So as I mentioned, everything in this bag right here is brand new. Here's a little sheet from the box. The box is destroyed, so we're not going to be using that anymore. So it says right here, 95-piece socket set, and the left hand here is all 3/8, and the right hand is all 1/2 inch. They are both standard and metric socket set. So this doesn't only apply to Hondas, but it applies to anything that's standard as well too. So right here we have the deep 3/8 sockets, which is metric and standard, and then we have the short socket set, which is metric and standard. So over here we have the 1/2" deep sockets, metric and standard, and then over here we have the short 1/2", which is metric and standard. These are impact socket sets, so they are heavy duty. And let me show you guys the difference between a regular socket and an impact socket. If you look at it, it has a much thicker outer, which you can use on the impact and take more, abuse with it, opposed to this guy right here being a lot thinner, which can crack easily, because I've done it and you can see why I have the impacts in place of my broken ones, which I should have just returned to Harbor Freight because lifetime warranty. These are impact sockets, but you can still use them on a ratchet. So I went to Harbor Freight and I grabbed a Pittsburgh 1/2" ratchet as well as a 3/8 ratchet. Now nothing here is 1/4 inch, so I didn't get a 1/4 inch ratchet, but they are fairly cheap anyways. And in part of this being impacts, I am going to be including a brand new Craftsman like air setup. So right here we have a brand new Craftsman air impact as well as a Craftsman air ratchet, Craftsman's air hammer, a brand new roll of Teflon, all the fittings, and a brand new airline. So this right here is going to be included with the giveaway. All you would need is an air compressor. It doesn't have to be really big. It just needs to be enough that you can run the impact simultaneously, but this is included with the giveaway. Now the stuff on this end right here, guys, is the stuff I just picked up today. This is also included with the stuff here on the table, and I went and got a Phillips screwdriver as well as a flathead screwdriver, and then I got some hand wrenches in metric and standard, because again, this may apply to people who don't drive Hondas, so tools are all compatible with whatever bolt or project you are doing. Pittsburgh handy hex keys. There is a metric and a SAE, and then there's a torque style as well too. So this is going to be good and handy for your non-typical head bolt. And then this one right here is a needle nose plier, and then right here we have a diagonal cutter. I actually like this. I used to carry one in my back pocket because you never know where you're going to need it, and then I started carrying a razor blade. So that's included, and then we have some rails for socket organizers for sockets. Like say if you're going to the junkyard, you can always get the ones you need, stick it on here. We have 2 1/2", maybe one for home, one for the bag, and then 2 3/8 over here as well too. I did pick up the biggest bag they had at Harbor Freight. This is a Hercules bag that you can carry all your tools and everything into when you're either going places or going to the junkyard, or just if you don't have a toolbox, keep your stuff organized in there. So that bag right there completes all of the stuff that we're going to be giving away. Now you may think, Dana, that's a lot of stuff to give away. I'm not worried about it. I'm very grateful to do this giveaway and give back to those who has been supporting me, and I'm pretty stoked for it. So what I'm saying, you guys stay posted. You guys have to have an active Instagram, and be sure to stay posted on the Effin' Static Instagram to get the full details on what you got to do as far as entering to win all these tools right here. I also apologize, in every other video I have said that I was going to start working on the wagon tomorrow, but really I am going to start working on the wagon tomorrow. So if you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Be sure to share it to a lot of people that you may think need tools, and enter this giveaway. The rain has stopped. That's good. Be sure to leave a comment down below and let me know what you guys think about this giveaway. So thank you guys for tuning in, and let's make 2020 a great one.